video today. This is gonna be a video on what's in my dress video, cause a lot of y'all asked me to do that. And yeah, I don't know why a lot of people start asking me that question, but yeah, it's gonna be a video what's in my dress, and it's a dress right here. Let me show y'all it real quick. And yeah, so what I'm finna do is get a comb and like comb it out and see. And yeah, so I'm finna just comb this out. Not all of it, just some. This stuff hard though. See, it wasn't even hard to take. I thought it was gonna be harder than this to take out. Like it is like wavy, a little curly, whatever. It do got some bent up, like if you can see that. But it's good cause most dress be dirty. Most I mean in life you just be dirty. My stuff don't be dirty though. Yeah, that's how it look. Man, really don't build up. Everybody here probably like this, if it's dress or not. Yeah, so that's basically what's inside my dress. Really nothing but a little build up or dandruff. I think that's dandruff. Yeah, really ain't nothing in it, but yeah. Thanks for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.